Hello and welcome to Hosting Academy. My name is Gvidas, and today in this video I'll explain to you the essentials for starting a WordPress website. Starting a WordPress website isn't difficult at all, but if you are new to this field, it might seem confusing at first. No worries about that, because in this video I'll explain to you everything you need to know to start your website. Alright, let's begin with the very first thing that you will need, and that is a domain name. When choosing a domain name, I highly recommend you to choose .com, because it's the most popular one and the best recognizable. Also, your domain name should be catchy and easy to remember, and avoid hyphens in between the words. Next, for your WordPress website, you will need hosting. You can get hosting at hostinger.com. I highly recommend you to start with a premium shared hosting plan, because with this plan you will be able to host multiple websites, and if you will choose 12 months package, you will get a free domain name with SSL Certificate. So if you will decide to use Hostinger, don't forget to apply discount code HA10 to get 10% discount of your hosting. Next, you will need to install WordPress, and if you're gonna use Hostinger, you'll have an opportunity to choose a template for your WordPress website. So creating your WordPress website is going to be way easier when starting from the scratch. Next thing, for your WordPress website, you're going to need SSL Certificate. Of course, it's optional, but if you want to have a professional looking website, I highly recommend you to get one. If you're not sure what is SSL Certificate, is that a gray padlock next to HTTPS in your browser, which indicates that the connection is secure and the website has SSL Certificate. If you will use Hostinger, you will get SSL Certificate for free, and you will not need to worry about third-party certificates. Once your WordPress website is ready, this is where the customization part comes in. If you want to have a professional looking website, you will need a nice looking theme. I highly recommend you choosing a paid theme, because it will have way more customization options compared to a free theme. You can get premium themes at themeforest.net. So basically that's all you need to create your WordPress website. But don't forget, creating a website is just the beginning, and the whole fun part starts now. Feel free to visit our SEO for Beginners playlist to start increasing your website's influence on the web. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave us a comment, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, good luck on your online journey.